So thankful I received my extra order for this weekend. I have this cardio. Ayan. This is really good, especially ngayon na sobrang init. Prevention yan ng mga pang-prevention natin para hindi tayo atakihin ng mga hypertension. Ayan, this one is really useful for me. Yan, pang anti-stress natin, pang detox. And especially this one, the Transfer Factor Plus. Ayan, and I also have this. This is my favorite, and hindi ako pwedeng wala nito because of my autoimmune. Ayan. So, I love that one. And of course, I have first. Ayan. Ito yung travel body ko. E naubusan po ako. And since aakyat sa farm, I really need this. So, ito ang aking travel body. Nakasashay po yan. Nabaunin every time na bibiyahe. And this one. Wow. Meron ako extra magazine. Thank you so much for napakabilis na delivery. I also have new price list and extra bag. Ayan. Use Mama Has for Life.